So, dear friends, now we are discussing today's top, that is a GPAT 2010 question paper. We have discussed previous slides three uh, 30 questions. Now we start with 31. The purity of water can be assessed by determining one of its the following property instrumentally. So, what is the meaning? That which property can be used to find out the purity of the water by the instrumentation method or instrumentally? pH. So option A, option B refractivity, option C viscosity, and option D is conductivity. So look at here, what is the meaning of the pH? Is the negative logarithm of hydrogen ion concentration. Option B is the refractivity. It means property of the refractive index. Any compound shows the refractive index, so that is called as refractivity. Viscosity means a property of the any liquid to be viscous. And D, the conductivity means different ions and compound can be solvent may be the ionized form, and the electricity flow would be the faster, that is called the conductivity. So water, the ionized solvent, and the pure water, that is more ionized, hydrogen ions and OH ions, and more conductivity. So only the conductivity would be the good property for to check the purity of the water. So the correct answer would be the D, conductivity. Question number 32. Which of the following statement is wrong? We have to find out which one is the wrong statement. One is the carbon NMR is the less sensitive than the proton NMR. Yes, it is correct, because carbon NMR is the less sensitive than proton NMR. Proton NMR can give the more information about structure determinations than carbon NMR. Carbon 12 and molecule nucleus is not magnetically active. Yes, carbon 12 is non-magnetically active because odd number of magnet, you can say atomic number, atomic weight of the compound required, like 1 2 1 3 5 7 accordingly. So carbon 13 may be active, but carbon 12 is not active. Both carbon 13 and hydrogen 1 means proton have same spin quantum number. Yes, odd number of element having the same spin number. And D is the gyromagnetic ratio of proton is lesser than that of the carbon 13. Yes, this is the wrong one, because gyromagnetic ratio is the constant, not differ by the proton, nature of the proton and carbon. But so correct option of this 32 question would be the D. Next 33 questions. In the TCA cycle, Krebs cycle, TCA means Krebs cycle, at which of the following enzyme catalyze the step incorporations of the elements of the water into an intermediate of the cycle takes place. So we have to find out the water incorporations in which enzyme. So look at here, option A is the citrate synthetase, option B is the aconitase, option C is the malate dehydrogenase, option D is the succinyl coenzyme synthetase. So look at here, by the name of it, dehydrogenase is involved in the water, so malate dehydrogenase would be the correct option for this, but not others. Okay, so next question number 34. Hemactane added in the cosmetic preparations generally act by. So what is the hemactane? Hemactane is, you can say, any component that can give the humidity, and humidity to any component means humidity provide any component is hemactane. So the hemactane, when added in the cosmetic preparations, so it gives the humidity to the cosmetic preparations. And what happen? You can say which by the act by the hydrogen bonding formation, covalent bond formations, and complex bond formations, and London formations. So the correct option is the hydrogen bond formations. So option A would be the correct for the 34, question number 34. Next, question number 35. In the mixing of the thymol and menthol, the following types of incompatibility occurs. So which types of incompatibility? Incompatibility means if we are mixing two compounds altogether, then what happen? They can affect each other, means either their activity may decrease or their physical state may change, chemical may change, state may change. That is called as incompatibility. So when the thymol and menthol both are added, then what will happen? Chemical incompatibility will increase, option A. Option B is the therapeutic incompatibility. Option C is the physical incompatibility. Option D is the tolerance incompatibility. So the thymol and menthol when added, then physical incompatibility will take place. The physical state of the compound will change. Okay, when the thymol and menthol will added, then that will be, you can say, solution will be liquefied. So physical incompatibility will be there. So option C is the correct option for the 35. Now the 36, Bloom strength is used to check the quality of. So what is the Bloom strength? Bloom strength means when any compound is added into water, then it will be swell up. So that is called the Bloom strength. So Bloom strength is the property of, you can say, among the option, lactose, ampules, hardness of the water, and gelatin. So only the correct option would be the gelatin, because gelatin when added in water it will be swell up. So by the swelling property or by the Bloom strength only we can check the purity of the gelatin also. So that is the correct option of the gelatin for the question number 36. So understood the Bloom strength, meaning of the Bloom strength? Swelling property. Swelling means swelling strength, that is Bloom strength. So correct option for 36 would be the D, gelatin. Next, question number 37. The characteristics of non-linear pharmacokinetics means what are the specific characteristics of non-linear pharmacokinetics? Means pharmacokinetics, linear pharmacokinetics and non-linear pharmacokinetics. Pharmacokinetic you understood, ADME means absorption, distribution, metabolism of the excretion of the drug. So when it is ADME or pharmacokinetics takes place linear or non-linear. So if we have to find out what is the characteristic of non-linear pharmacokinetic. Option A is the area under curve is proportional to dose. No, this is for the linear pharmacokinetics. Area under curve is proportional to dose. When increasing dose, the area under curve will increase. So that is in case of the linear pharmacokinetics. Next section, option B is elimination half-life remains constant. Elimination half-life remains constant. That is not in non-linear pharmacokinetic. It's the pharmacokinetic. Its half-life would be the constant for the linear pharmacokinetics. Under area curve is not proportional to the dose. Yes, this is the correct option because this is the characteristics of the non-linear. Okay, amount of the drug excreted through the remains constant. That is not known. So correct option in the 37 would be the C, that area under curve is not proportional to the dose. That is the non-linear pharmacokinetics. Next, question 38. In the Drug and Cosmetic Act and rules, the schedule relating to GMP is. So which schedule is related to the GMP? That is Schedule M, Schedule C, Schedule Y, and Schedule H. So the GMP is related to the Schedule M only. Okay, so the correct option would be the Schedule M. And look at other schedules. Schedule C is related with the parental products. Schedule Y is for the clinical trials, and Schedule H would be there for the prescription drugs. 39. You look at question number 39 now. Thioglycolic acid like compounds have applications in the following types of cosmetic formulations. So we have to find out that what is the role of the thioglycolic acid that is used in cosmetic compounds. So which types of cosmetic compound it may be used? That is option A is the depilatory preparation, option B is the appellatory preparations, and option C is the vanishing cream, option D is the skin tannin preparations. So what is the meaning of the depilatory preparation? Depilatory preparations means removal of the hair from the body. So any preparation that is used for removal of the hair, that is a depilatory preparation. Appellatory preparation means to increase the hair. Any the preparation that is used to increase the hair. Appellatory preparations. Vanishing creams. Vanish means you can say in the that is creams that is used in the winters. So vanishing creams. Sorry, that is in the summer. That is in temperature very high. So that is the vanishing creams. So for the appearance only. And skin tan preparations. So skin tan preparation means skin we want to be cosmetic preparation that is used like face glow to improve the face glow, and that types of that is called skin tint preparations. So only the thioglycolic acid used in the depilatory preparations, means hair removal of the hair preparations, depilatory preparations. The correct option would be the A, or the 39. Next, and today's last question is 40. Which one of the following is a flocculating agent for a negatively charged drug? So negatively charged drug means any drug that having the negative charge. So which types of flocculating agents we can use in case of the negative charge compound? The charge is negative, so we have to add any positive charge component. Aluminum trichloride, aluminum, AlCl3. Aluminum is having the positive 3 charge and chloride minus 3 minus. So aluminum is the metal having the 3 positive charge, Al plus 3. Bentonite, there is no any charge. Tragacanth, no any charge. And sodium bisulfide, sodium having there is a plus 1. Okay, so that is two we can say flocculating agent may be used for negative charge. There is aluminum chloride and sodium bisulfide, but which one would be the effective? Only the aluminum chloride, because aluminum having the 3 positive charge. Sodium bisulfide is not used as a flocculating agent at all. Only the correct option would be the aluminum chloride, that is used as a flocculating agent into the negatively charged drug in the formulations, in the preparations of the formulations as a flocculating agents. Aluminum chloride may be used in the negatively charged drug. So that's all about this video. Thank you very much.